Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a ringtone from a voice memo. It is a little tricky, but not too hard. Basically, to make the long story short, all you have to do is create a voice memo, email it to yourself, download it, change the extension to M4R from M4A. So you have to change it to M4R, and you have your ringtone. Then you upload it to your iPhone, and you're ready to go. So let me just demonstrate that. I'm going to record a little demo, little voice memo. All right, let's see what it sounds like. All right. And now, instead of emailing it to myself, I'm going to do sync. I prefer to mail it to myself, but I don't want you to see my email address because I hate being spammed. So, I'm just going to hit click on my phone in iTunes, click sync. It's going to back it up. Sync in progress. Back it up. You see why I emailed it to myself. This sync takes so long. Never mind, it's almost done. Oh, jeez. Transferring purchases. Come on, phone. Emailing is much, much quicker. Now it's syncing, so I guess now it's actually downloading the memo. Alright, so now I have the voice memo. It should show right here. And at the bottom you see voice memos. And let's see. Alright, that's the one. So I'm going to drag it to my desktop. Wait a minute. Drag it to my desktop. I'm going to change the extension to M4R instead of M4A. And that's Windows going to ask me whether I want to change it because it might become unusable. Default message from Windows. Yes, we are sure we won't change it. Okay. So I have my ringtone. However, I'm going to still change the name of the file, so from the date into something more intuitive. Per. Alright. So now that I have this one, I'm going to actually move it to my ringtones in iTunes folder so that I don't have to look for it if I'm moving my computer. My music, iTunes music, ringtones, boom, paste. There we go. So this is the file. And the next step is take the file, drag it to your ringtones right here, not on your phone, but here on iTunes. You will see you can't drag it anywhere else but there because that's where you get the plus sign. Alright, so now there's there. It's here. Alright, so all I have to do now is sync the phone one more time. And I'm actually going to apply, because my settings on a phone are not to sync everything. If you were to sync everything, all ringtones here, you wouldn't have to do this step. But since I sync only selected ringtones, Actually, let me just do all and apply, and now it's syncing. And now it has synced. Now I have that ringtone. Let's say, let me demonstrate. Let me pick the person whose phone this is. I'm going to change her ringtone to alright. And now since I've done that, let me call myself. And there we go. Alright. So it was very simple. And I demonstrated how to do it with iTunes with 2 syncs, but I usually do it with 1 email to myself and then 1 single sync. It's really easy. If you go to Voice Memo, you select the memo that you want to email to yourself. You select Share, and then you select Email Voice Memo. Of course, in order to do this, you need to have email application configured on your email, on your iPhone. So the one with iTunes and double sync will work on every iPhone. Alright? And again, simple procedure. Record voice memo, email to self, download it from your email, change the extension to M4R from M4A, and drag it into your iTunes ringtones, sync your ringtones to your phone, and you have your new ringtone from a voice memo. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody. I haven't found this when I was looking for it, so I had to figure it out myself.